Hello children, it's time for your maths class. Today we will start a new lesson, lesson 4, fractions. Before that, let us check your assignment answer from the previous assignment.
Here is the answer for your previous assignment.
Alright, fractions. Fractions means a part of something, right? For example, with this figure, a part of something as a fraction. When we look at this we have one circle. It is divided into two parts, right? It is divided into two parts, and here we have a triangle. It is again divided into two parts, right? Then here we have a square. It is divided into two parts, right? When we if we want to express the shaded portion here, right, when we look at this, the first three pictures, we can see that half of their shapes, or the half of their shapes are being shaded here, right? If we want to represent this in number, avai jenghan atsan veze la kha in shade wang khan heng fraction in can represent theta fraction it's one half omzia to fraction at 1 by 2, one part out of 2, right? Til pakhat kha, the whole part is divided into two parts, and we are representing the shaded portion as one part here. Out of 2, one part is being shaded, so we represent using 1 by 2, right? Triangle up in half kan zia don a half kind shade, a shaded portion kan zia don 1 by 2. Mun hiya in chendara, right? A mun kataka, one part ka, two parts in chendara, one part ka in shade. Hepo half of this 1 by 2, right? That is the representation of fractions, right? Chuan hemi figure kan end ne chuan he figure chu pali a in chen dar ve thunga chuan apart pali zinga pakhat khan shade, right? Out of 4, one is shaded here. So including a number kan jiang out of 4 apum puya pali atangin pakhata in shade chuan achunga kan jiang. One part, 1 by 4 means one part out of 4. Anwai zo khian apum pu ain chen dar zat aron represent 4 out of 4 parts, one part is shaded here. So then we can enter two parts in shade, part 4 parts are in chendara, right? Out of 4, 2 parts are shaded here, right? This is the representation of fractions. Fraction represent part of something, a part of the whole thing, right? So in fraction, when we have upper number and lower number, right? Number chunga mi le noi mi kan le ya, right? Tita po achunga 1 anoi 2, achunga 1 anoi 4, right? This numbers, the upper number is called numerator in a fraction, right? So the lower part is called denominator, right? The upper part numerator, lower part denominator. So a fraction has numerator and denominator, the upper number and lower number. Alright, now we will explain the different types of fractions. First, unit fraction. When we say unit fraction, unit means 1. That means in unit fraction, we will have 1 as the numerator, right? The denominator could be any number. That means we can have different numbers for the numerator, right? For example, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 900, right? So if the numerator is 1, if the upper number is 1, a number chung zo ki 1 ani chuan a hnuai chuan eng po om sila heng fraction chi ho reng reng kha unit fraction an tia. So like fraction, we have like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fractions and unlike fractions. In like fractions, we will have same denominator, right? For example, 2 by 5, 97 by 5, 2015 by 5, 1 by 5. So when we look at these examples, we can see that all the denominators are same. They all have 5 as their denominators, right? And why in unvect one, those fractions are called like fractions, right? The numerator could be any number, and number tika achungzong ni chu engpo lo ni ta sila, and my number in anzel chun 5 kher lo po 4 vek mo, and why in angvek ang chi ho kha like fractions. And just like the opposite of like fractions are unlike fractions. For unlike fractions, their even if their numerators are same. For example, 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here, although they have same numerator, their denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. Achung in ang anli kan like fractions anli chuang lang. Anchung number tin ang mase, anhuai number tin an lo chuan, they are unlike fractions, right? For example, 7 by 15, right? 7 by 2000. Although we have same denominator, same numerators, their denominators are all different, so they are unlike fractions. Alright, that is all for today. And for your assignment, this is your assignment number 12. I want you to solve from your Galaxy textbook, exercise 4.1, question number 1, all of them, question number 2, all of them, right? Next time when you do your assignment, make sure you write your name, class, section and roll number on the top of the paper, right? Not at the end of the assignment. Then when you solve this from your textbook, you will write it like this, right? You will need to write the numerators and denominators, right? For solving this is for solving your assignment, right? So for example, 25 by 40, you will write your solution here and write numerator is equal to 25, denominator is equal to 40. You will solve your assignment like this. Thank you.